Welcome to today's market update. Wall Street saw a major rally fueled by optimism over geopolitical news. The markets roared back, with the Nasdaq jumping over 1% after a major political signal. U.S. stock markets closed sharply higher on April 1st, marking a significant upswing for investors. Investor sentiment was boosted by President Trump's suggestion that the conflict in Iran could be winding down. The S&P 500 rose 0.7%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq jumped an impressive 1.2%. Gains were led by big tech companies like Alphabet, Meta, and Amazon, surging on reduced geopolitical war fears. However, not all sectors benefited. Energy stocks saw a decline as oil prices eased from their recent highs. In corporate news, Intel stock surged almost 9% following announcements of a major factory buyback plan. The overall catalyst for the day was cited as President Trump's comments that the U.S. will be, quote, out of Iran pretty quickly. This episode clearly underlines how sensitive global markets remain to both geopolitical developments and major corporate news.